Hello everyone! As a part of our group assignment SCCA 1023 Theory of Communication, we would like to present you about agenda setting theory. Let's begin!
Agenda setting theory describes the ability of the news media to influence the salience of topics on the public agenda. Agenda setting theory was formally developed by Max McCombs and Donald Shaw in a study on the 1968 American presidential election and focused on two elements: awareness and information. Investigating the agenda-setting function of the mass media, they attempted to assess the relationship between what voters in one community said were important issues and the actual content of the media messages used during the campaign. McCombs and Shaw concluded that the mass media exerted a significant influence on what voters considered to be the major issues of the campaign.
There are three assumptions of agenda setting theory. First, the media are portrayed as relatively powerful because their agenda is when the chain of influence generally began. Second, mass media are seen as having the gatekeeping function that allow them to shape the news such that the public never receives unfiltered information. Lastly, the public and policymakers have the possibility to influence the media's agenda as well. There are two levels of agenda setting.
The first level focuses on the important issues that comprises the agenda as decided by some entity, such as the media. Second level focuses on which parts of those issues are most important. For examples, newspapers use large images and fonts on their front pages to emphasize the story that is top of their agenda. Here we have a story on the Obama's election scandal on the front pages and understated stories such as global warming at the back pages of the newspaper. Next is the news broadcasting channels, which control the airtime and news by discussing selective topics. For example, most new broadcasters choose to talk about the negative reaction of publics on how the Malaysian government handled MH360 flight crisis on year 2015 rather than the total of missing passengers.